Welcome to RV Road Report, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in recreational vehicles. I'm RV Road Report, and today we're diving into an absolute beast of motorhome, the HYMER ML-T 570 crossover. This rugged, vibrant white and red 4x4 camper van is built for adventure and comfort, perfect for those who crave off-grid exploration without sacrificing luxury. Priced at $99,000, this beauty is parked right here in the HYMER showroom, ready to steal the spotlight. Stick with us as we explore every inch of this off-road champion, from its sleek exterior to its cozy interior. Let's hit the road and check it out. Exterior front view. Here we are at the HYMER showroom, standing in front of the stunning HYMER ML-T 570 crossover. Look at that bold white and red color scheme. It's vibrant, eye-catching, and screams adventure. The front grille proudly displays the HYMER logo, paired with a sleek Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 4x4 chassis. This rig is built for rugged terrain, with all-terrain tires and raised suspension for superior off-road capability. The LED light bar up front ensures you can navigate even the darkest trails. With its aggressive stance and modern design, this $99,000 motorhome is ready to conquer any journey while turning heads wherever it goes. Top side view. Let's take a look at the top side of the HYMER ML-T 570 crossover. Up here, you'll find 295-watt solar panels, perfect for off-grid power, keeping your adventure sustainable for up to 10 days. The sleek roof also houses a low-profile satellite antenna for staying connected, and the air conditioning unit ensures you stay cool no matter the climate. Roof rails and a fold-down ladder add practicality for gear storage or maintenance. This setup is designed for self-sufficiency, making this $99,000 camper van a true off-road warrior ready for any destination you dream up. Back side view. Moving to the rear of the HYMER ML-T 570 crossover, you'll notice its rugged yet refined design. The back features a spare tire mounted externally, preserving garage space and ensuring quick access in emergencies. There's also a sturdy cycle carrier, perfect for bringing bikes along for those off-road trails. The vibrant white and red livery continues here, with bold crossover decals adding flair. A rear ladder provides easy roof access, and the garage below offers ample storage for gear. At $99,000, this motorhome is built for adventure without compromising on practicality. Side view. Check out the side profile of the HYMER ML-T 570 crossover. It's a long, rugged beauty at nearly 7 meters. The white and red exterior pops with dynamic crossover graphics, and a 4x4 chassis with all-terrain tires means no path is off-limits. A retractable awning extends to create a shaded outdoor living space, perfect for relaxing with a tent setup for outdoor seating. Windows are strategically placed for natural light, and the sleek design keeps it aerodynamic. For $99,000, this camper van blends style, function, and off-road prowess seamlessly. Driving compartment. Step inside the driving compartment of the HYMER ML-T 570 crossover, and you're greeted with Mercedes-Benz luxury. The 10.25-inch MBUX multimedia system with touchscreen, sat-nav, and reversing camera makes navigation a breeze. 2 LED screens provide clear views, including one for the backside view to keep an eye on traffic or terrain. Comfortable captain's chairs swivel for versatility, and features like Distronic Plus Active Distance Assist and wireless charging enhance safety and convenience. At $99,000, this cockpit is your command center for any adventure on or off the road. Sitting and sleeping area. Behind the driver's cab, the HYMER ML-T 570 crossover offers a cozy yet spacious sitting and sleeping area. The L-shaped lounge with premium upholstery is perfect for relaxing or entertaining, and it converts into a sofa-cum-bed for extra sleeping space. At the rear, twin single beds with multi-zone cold foam mattresses ensure comfort, and they can merge into a king-size bed with an additional cushion. Skylights and LED lighting create a warm ambience. For $99,000, this setup offers home-like comfort for your off-grid escapes. Kitchen. The kitchen in the HYMER ML-T 570 crossover is compact yet fully equipped, nestled alongside the sitting area. It features a 3-burner gas hob, an oven, and a 152-liter compressor fridge with a removable freezer for efficient cooling. Sleek countertops, a sink, and ample storage keep things organized, while 4 230V and 2 USB outlets power your gadgets. The blonde wood and black trim give a modern, stylish vibe. At $99,000, this kitchen ensures you can whip up meals anywhere, from campsites to remote trails. Washroom. The HYMER ML-T 570 crossover's washroom is a marvel of space-saving design. This compact yet functional space features a swivel toilet, a sink, and a shower with a clever convertible panel that switches from wet to dry use. There's even a second outdoor shower in the garage for rinsing off gear. Ventilation and smart storage keep it practical, and the high-quality finishes match the motorhome's luxurious vibe. For $99,000, this washroom proves you don't need to sacrifice comfort, even in the wild. That's a wrap on our tour of the HYMER ML-T 570 crossover, a $99,000 masterpiece of off-road capability and luxury. With its vibrant white and red design, 4x4 prowess, and up to 10 days of off-grid self-sufficiency, this camper van is your ticket to adventure without limits. From the solar-powered roof to the cozy interior, it's built for explorers who demand the best. Thanks for joining us on RV Road Report. Force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Let us know what you think of this rugged beauty.